Now, this here is a review on the LERIZOM, LERIZOM air fryer. It's 25 quart. It's a toaster oven, 6-slice toaster, countertop oven. It's stainless steel gray, kind of a gunmetal gray, and it's 1700 watt. Now, on the back of the manual, here's the front, and it doesn't actually specifically list a brand name on here other than what was on Amazon, which was the LERIZOM. But this here, it says Chef Favor, so it could be, that's the brand as well. So anyways, I've got cornbread in there, and there is about 18 minutes left on the timer. If you can see that silver band right there. And what I'm baking is supposed to be 20 to 25 minutes. You get to the temperature, if you can tell by the silver band on there, we're at 400 degrees. Then over here, we have different settings as far as what you're going to be doing. I'm baking, but I wanted to use a convection bake, so I got baked with the fan. So if you can see the silver band there, we've got that. So you can broil, toast, bake, and air fry with this. Over here is controls for the toaster, and there it is set on off. So if you wanted to get light, medium, or dark toast, you turn the knob to get to round it out. There's the power button, and by the way, this comes on after you turn the timer on. There is no on-off power button, which I was hoping that's what this right here would be, but it's just the light to indicate that it's on. So now if we come around to this side, see the gray vents? Gray, yeah, it's all gray. Here is just a warning, hot surface. And the vents over here. Into the back. Yes. And if you notice these bumpers right here, it's to keep it from coming in contact with the countertop in this type of situation. So it still has good airflow. So we have it plugged in. It is a 3-prong. You see the air underneath it, or the space. So anyways, it comes with the rack my pan is sitting on. It comes with the rack on the bottom that you see the pan, and there is also a drip or a crumb pan in the very bottom that is also removable. In addition to those pieces, we have this basket that you could air fry in. We have air fried potatoes. We've air fried broccoli. And last night we cooked chicken in here that was pre-prepared, not cooked, just prepared. It was a lemon chicken dish, and we baked it in there, and it was wonderful. So I will come back here in a few minutes and we'll update on how this works. Just a little mid update here. We've got just a little over 10 minutes, maybe 11, something like that left. Let's take a peek inside. See how brown it's already getting, and it's pulling away from the sides. So, because I'm using the convection, it may be cooking a little faster. So I'm going to have to get my cake tester and check it out. Okay, I've got the door open. I've already tested it once. And you see, came out clean. Another sign of bread being done is it pulling away from the sides. So I'm going to say my cornbread is done. So, looks like a success. I took a little cutout, and look how that is. It's not doughy at all. I think that was really good.
came off. I'm a quick